Hi knitters, I'm here to show you how to pick up stitches for the left side of the Hazy Lanes sweater. I made this little swatch here to demonstrate how to pick up stitches for the left back. So this is supposed to be the right back piece, and we're going to be picking up stitches from this long tail cast on here. We're starting at with the right side facing, we're starting at the very edge here and pick up a stitch from this very edge here. The next stitch we need to pick up is right here at the slip stitch detail. So we insert the needle into the center of the slip stitch and pull a loop through. Then there are 3 reverse stockinette stitches that we need to pick up from. And we pick up from the very cast on top here. Then there is another slip stitch detail, and we again insert the needle through the center of the slip stitch and pull loop through. Then there is a whole length of reverse stockinette stitches, and the number of stitches you need to pick up here depends on the size of your sweater. So please look at the pattern. It's going to tell you how many stitches to pick up from this part of the sweater. Okay, so we've reached this stockinette stripe, and there are 7 stitches in here. So we knit again the same thing we did for the slipped stitches to make sure this stockinette stripe lines up perfectly. We insert the needle through the center of the stockinette stitch and pull a loop through. Into the center of the stockinette stitch and pull a loop through. Again into the center. Then there are another 3 reverse stockinette stitches here. So we pick up another 3 stitches from the long tail cast on. There's another slipped stitch here at the edge. So insert the needle through the center of the stitch and pull a loop through. And then there is a very last stitch here at the edge. And this is the final finished pickup setup row for the left back, and you can now continue knitting. The principle is the same for picking up stitches for the left front. We're holding the right front with right side facing and start again with picking up a stitch from this very edge stitch here. And then pick up a stitch from the slip stitch detail. So insert the needle through the center of the stitch, pull a loop through. Then we pick up 3 stitches from the cast on of this reverse stockinette part, and 7 stitches from this stockinette stripe. So again, we insert the needle into the center of the stockinette stitch and pull the loop through. We again have a length of reverse stockinette stitches, and the number of stitches to be picked up here again depends on the size of your sweater. You pick up from the cast on itself, from the long tail cast on. Consult your pattern to see how many stitches you need to pick up from this part of the pattern. We've now reached the last slip stitch. So again, we insert the needle through the center of the stitch and pull a loop through. The last stitch we pick up here again is an edge stitch somewhere here. Pull a loop through. This is all for the front, and you can now continue knitting the setup row for the left front. Happy knitting! If you have any more questions, please post in the Ravelry forum or write an email. All the links you'll find under this video. Happy knitting! Bye!